In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Privy to your Shopify store in 2021. First, log into your Shopify store account. Head on over to Apps on the left. Now click the Visit the Shopify App Store in the top right. This opens up the Shopify App Store in a new tab. Now click the search bar and search for Privy. There we go. Search for that. And there it is. Privy pop-ups, email and SMS by Privy. This is only a 15-day free trial, but you can test it out, and if you like it and it converts well, you can just pay. Now click Add App. Wait till that loads. It's pretty much to convert more traffic, automate your email marketing, and get shoppers to buy more stuff. Now choose the account of our Shopify store. There we go. We now have to authorize Privy to be able to do a couple of things on our store so that it's capable of managing our online store and all these things. As long as you're okay with that, hit install app. Skip this part. You just have to, and there we go. We are now in the trial of our Privy app, and we've added it and installed it successfully to our Shopify store in 2021. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.